we're going to be doing the decibel reader on my Lexus IS350. It does have the flame tune by MFORCE. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to get right into it. We're going to be doing the decibel reader on my Lexus IS350. It does have the flame tune by MFORCE. So if y'all want to do some pops and bangs, be a little rowdy with y'all's car, performance add-on too, link will be in the description. Go check it out. But yeah, basically 2 tests with the decibel reader. We're going to see how loud the exhaust is and the pops. There's a taco truck coming by. I might get some after. But yeah, so first test is going to be from a foot away, more accurate reading. And then the second test is going to be from just about close to the tailpipe. Yeah, let's check it out. I'm pretty curious to see how it sounds. My guess is maybe around 100 decibels at like the highest point, but we'll see. All right, so we got the foot away, just over a foot. Making sure no cars pass to mess with the decibel. But yeah, just over a foot. Let me get this going. And with this tune, if you do want to use it the way I'm using it, just like popping and revving it and stuff, make sure you do warm up the car. So I gave it a couple minutes, you know, about 5 minutes to get it halfway in that warmer temp, just so you don't damage anything. I got the GoPro so I can show you all the RPMs I'm at. There we go. Alright, so there was the foot away. Let's get the close-up before they start calling the cops. Here we go, at basically right at the tailpipe. Alright, yeah, there's some people coming. A little taste of it. I wasn't intending on giving y'all kind of a ride along in this video, but I'll give y'all some. Yeah, let me just. But like I was saying, yeah, they kind of surprised me, the decibel reader. So it was like 106. It was saying with the pops, which I don't think it's too loud, but it gets up there. I should tape the decibel reader on there whenever I'm like driving, or even get a tunnel run. Tunnel run would be nice. But yeah, if y'all like the tune videos, let me know. I'm thinking about like seeing what we can like destroy with the bangs, like put like a bass or something behind it, or like a watermelon. I'm not sure if it's that powerful, but hey, if y'all want to see that, drop it in the comments. I'm down for anything. Let me give y'all a little ride along. Little drive. So the fun thing that I like doing with it is yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, I know it might have been pretty short video. I just wanted to get back into it. It has been such a long time, it feels like. But like I said, drop all the things you want me to do in the comments. Hit the like button if y'all enjoy this type of content. I just didn't see anyone doing the decibel reader on this tune, or much less even for this car with the exhaust that I have, which exhaust really isn't that crazy on this one. It's just no cats. Like I said, I'm in Mexico. No cats. I have a vibrant resonator to keep the drone down a little bit, and then I have a Megan Racing axle back. So it's not too loud. Like I'm in my head, I don't think it's that loud. But I will post a driving POV one day. Probably like some tunnel runs or around like nice scenery, you know. I think it'll look nice. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you're into Lexus content, or really any type of car YouTuber content.
So fresh, but I guess how I wanna. Made a name, made my way to California.